So hello everybody, I hope you all will be fine. So this video is going to be a bit different from the regular videos of this channel because in this video, I'm gonna reveal how I made my first rupees as a student when I was in class 9th, and that was also without investment and with a phone worth 8,000. Like I purchased that phone at 8,000 and how I made my first 10,000 from it. I will even tell you which apps I was using, like we will know everything regarding it. So if you are a student or teenager who is looking for ways to make money as a student, then you can subscribe this channel because I hope I would make certain videos regarding money making in future. So you can subscribe this channel if you want. So without wasting the time, we should start this video.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
As you all know, few years back it was lockdown. And during lockdown, I wasted my first 3-4 months totally just by playing games and these shits. But after certain time, I realized that, like, nigga, what you are doing? You are just playing games, sleeping, that is it. You are just doing this, like, like my inner me was saying that go do something productive. Like you have got such a golden opportunity, you have got this much time, and you should be doing certain things in it. And after that, I went to YouTube. I had watched hundreds of video, tons of video on YouTube. I read tons of article on Google, and in those many articles or videos, I only found one video helpful, and that video was regarding Meesho. I know many of you guys know about Meesho. It is a shopping platform, but during lockdown, it didn't used to be a shopping platform. It was a reselling platform. So what is reselling? Like reselling is very easy thing. Like just it is being overhyped. Like suppose there is a product on Meesho whose price is 300, and it's like you can easily sell it in 500 rupees. So it is all about your selling skills. Like can you sell it or not? Suppose there is a cloth or t-shirt worth 300 and I sold it at 500. So that 200 is my profit, and that is what reselling is. Like products are listed on Meesho, and it's like you just have to find customers and everything will be done by Meesho. Like the price will be increased by Meesho as well. Like suppose it is listed in 300, you are selling it in 500. So when that product will reach to customer, the price on that product will be listed as 500. And there will be no packaging, no logo of Meesho, no marketing of Meesho. So it was very much easy. You just have to find customers. And during lockdown, people were very much active online. So it wasn't that big deal to sell products at that time. So how I used to sell those products? It's like, first you have to find out the niche. I had selected clothing niche. Like I used to sell clothes. So what I did was I made certain WhatsApp groups, added some of my family members and friends. And I said my friends to add their family member or their relatives as well. So the group went a bit big. I made 3-4 groups and I was sharing the products in those groups. As well as there is a platform called OLX. It's a marketplace which is basically for second-hand products, but it's like you can even sell it. So I used to share images on WhatsApp as well as I used to upload products on OLX. And at that time, the online shopping was on its boom, on its peak. So many people were ordering it. I used to get many orders at that time. And the best part of Meesho was its refer and earn scheme. And even there were certain things about Meesho which I used to like the most. So in mobile phone, there is certain feature of dual app. Like you can make mini clones of Meesho in your phone and all would be independent. Like none of them will be linked. So I had one main account. I had made a clone and I used to log in over there from my friend's mobile number. And I would put the refer code. So if someone is logging in from your refer link or by putting your refer code, you will get 25% commission on his first 3 order. So what I did was, suppose I have a product which cost 1000 rupees on Meesho and I have 200 rupees margin on that product and I am selling it in 1200. So what I used to do is, if the cost of the product is high, then I used to order it with my friend's mobile number, so that I could get 25% extra commission, plus you would get 100 rupee discount if that is your first order. That is what was the best part about Meesho. Like I made bunch, I used that refer and earn scheme a lot. Like I had made 10-12 clones in my mobile phone. I was ordering it from my friend's account, and it's like I was getting tons of order and tons of commission plus tons of refer and earning. So it was going really well, but it's like Meesho also find out what is happening in the market. So with time, they started shifting from a reselling platform to a shopping platform, and they had stopped that refer and earn scheme, as well as they had make that app a bit strict. It's like started banning tons of account. Like if you would cancel one order or if you would do certain things, your account would be banned. And my account also got banned. Plus, many of my friends' account got banned because of it. And that was when I lost my interest from Meesho, because it's like I had to spend any time, but the earning wasn't that much. That is why I stopped Meesho. But overall, my experience was very well from Meesho. It's like I think it took 6-7 months for making my first 10,000 rupees. I know it is less, but it's like it was very much. It was at that time. It was very much for me. And the best part was that I used to think that making money from mobile phone is going to be very tough. But it was just a misconception, because I used the mobile phone. I made 10,000 rupees, and it's like it was very easy. I just used to give 2-3 hours, and with time I got orders and good commission, and overall the income increased. At least you can easily get your pocket money from Meesho. I had a friend, he was of slave mentality, but even, he made good income from Meesho. Like I suggested him, he used OLX and WhatsApp as well, and he made good money. Like at least he got pocket money for certain months. But it's like Meesho is good for short-term gain, and if you want for long-term, then you have to invest it. Like I was talking about zero investment things. Like if you run Instagram ads, there is certain thing called Instagram ads, and you can get a bunch of customer from Instagram ads, but for that you have to invest. You can try Meesho, like just explore different things. So this was how I made my first 10,000 rupees as a student. And you can easily make it. Like making money online is a very easy thing. Like the phone which you are having, the phone from which you are watching this video, that could be your biggest asset, as well as it could be your biggest liability. It's all up to your uses. If you will just scroll reels on it, then nothing is going to change. But if you will learn the different things, like take that phone, go learn different skill, go learn how to make content, go learn how you can create businesses, go and connect with different people online who are better than you at your age. For example, I have certain friends who are from different countries or even from India. They are of same age of mine, and they are even doing better than me. So, if you have good connection, good surrounding, then it will motivate you to make much better income. It will make you a better version of yourself. I have certain friends from Bangladesh or even India, like they are, earning in 6-figure, and they are of same age of mine, 6-figure monthly, like, lakhs of money monthly they are earning. And they aren't doing such complicated things. I have a friend who was a video editor. He has mastered, he's skilled in video editing, and now he has opened his agency. He has hired 3-4 people, and he is giving 30,000-40,000 just as a salary to those people. And overall, he make lakhs of money just from video editing. I have a friend who is graduated from NIT Sikkim, and he is totally into trading. He has left all his jobs, and he is totally focused into trading, and he is making lakhs of rupees month. Every month he is making lakhs of rupee. And you can even do it. It's just up to your mindset. And yeah, this is going to be it for video. I think this video has gone a bit well. So thanks for watching this video, and go keep hustling, like be a better version of yourself, and then come on this channel. Thanks for watching.